This is the most important factor which gets affected when a woman is taking a career break: self confidence. In spite of all the previous achievements, the moment she decided to restart, when she looks back, all she can see is an empty road. There is no viable plan, there is no solid skill, and there is no achievement to showcase. How many of you feel this way? How to find your skills and restart your career and end up in a thriving job? On an average, many women take career break at least for 5 years. So, whatever you have studied so far or wherever you have worked so far, the industry would have completely changed after that 5 years. So, in order to restart, the key thing is to find skills that we can project positively. How to find positively? Irrespective of the number of years you have taken career break, all of us have acquired a very important skill which is called transferable skills. That is, the abilities and experiences we gained during our break time or during our previous professional experience. Let me tell you an example. The number one reason for taking career break is mostly motherhood. So, if you are a parent who is doing parenting, then you must be using some of the skills I'm going to list now: time management, conflict resolution, empathy, and multitasking. If you are someone who is managing your household, then you must know how to budget, how to take care of things, and how to hold the fort down when your husband is out working. I have seen many women who take care of their home's finances and entire process with less than 3000 rupees, with pakka planning, with absolute planning and budgeting. So all these are actual skills. Next is revisit your previous professional experience. We might have forgot whatever we have done so far. If you have managed a small team, or if you have taken some responsibilities and ownership, or if you are very good in technology, whatever it can be, project it in your resume. Okay, Shankari, I have understood that I have to put my transferable skills. But how can I project managing a household as a solid skill in my resume? Let me tell you how to rephrase it. A transferable skill can be leadership and management, problem solving, organization and planning, budget management, communication, and adaptability. I have seen a lot of women who are absolute winners in terms of adaptability. They can adapt to anything. If you can remember, many of us are not living with our parents, correct? We are in our hometown, then getting married, coming to a new place, adopt there. And then we get our children, adopt. Then they grow stage by stage and we adopt. So, as women, it is in our nature to adopt. It is one of the important skills which can play a major role in many leadership positions, and this skill you have in your own disposal. So put all these transferable skills and rephrase it and make it a skill inventory. When we take career break and when we decided to restart, we might think that that's a mistake which we have done. We might think that, okay, I have lost a lot of years because of caregiving responsibilities. Let me tell you here, as a woman who have taken a career break and who is helping a lot of women restart their career after this break, I can tell you it is okay. It is something which is very, very common, and it is not your mistake. In fact, you have taken a break to do one of the most important jobs of all, which is taking care of your children. So own your career break. It's okay. Your value is still intact. In fact, you have gained much more value and become a better person because you now know how to care. So be proud, own it, and articulate it with confidence. This is the first step for the path of finding an amazing opportunity for you. My best wishes.